morning, traders. Mike with Ripper Die Trading here. Watching AMD this morning, and more volume today than yesterday. Yesterday was kind of crazy. It is gapping down a little. It's been on a steady downtrend. Let's see. I'll show you this. I mean, it's very, very crap. Well, I'm sure you can't see everything that I'm seeing on this. My monitor's too long. Anyhow, it's been going down. This line right here at 23.25-ish is it's been a long time since it's been below that. The last time it was below that, it gapped up and then rocketed past it back on the 30th of January. So and that was at earnings. So I think if we lose 22-25 area, we could be going down big time today. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, we got the gap to fill above at 22.41. We got 22.50 to hold it down. I think it's possible this thing rockets up a little bit to that 22.41 area, maybe gets close to 22.50 and then starts to sell off. I mean, that would be just a guess, obviously. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but just going into the morning, my game plan is going to be looking for a good short. Right now we're downtrending, so I like to see this thing bust through 22.25 and then come back up and test it and fail, and then I'd get in short. That's my game plan. 5 seconds to the bell. Let's get ready to go. Let's up and get a little bit closer to this. Alright, we're through it. I didn't really want to see that on the first candle. Need some more time to get things slowing down. Alright, that probably was a bad idea. Got in short there as it rejected. Where did I get in short at 19? Dang. That was not what I was. I was trying to get in closer to 25. Started out in the hole. Come on now. Work down for daddy. Holy shit. That was bad, bad, bad. And that right there is exactly why I don't buy on the first candle. And now it's probably going to do exactly what I was talking about. Go up here to 22.41 and get rejected and then die. Or 22.41 rejected. It might get up to 22.50, but Don't tell me it hit the exact freaking number. Yeah, high is 2241. See? Just have a fucking plan and follow it, Mike. No, at no point was the plan jump in on the first minute. Alright. Yeah, the plan would have worked out perfect here if I'd have followed it. We'd have taken half profits already and been looking for more. Gotta start following the plan. And this is why I'm only trading with 1,000 shares right now. I can't make myself follow the plan. Alright. And it, so far it's doing like I thought. Broke. Gosh, come on now. Keep going. Said 2241 and selling off. We need to see this thing sell off. I don't want to get crunched again. Hold it right there. Come on now, break down. Let's go see 22 real quick. Alright, SPY's starting to dump. Nvidia is going. Let's go with them. Don't mess with me like that. Let's go. I've got to stop in at 22.27 just to make sure I didn't let it run like it did last time. Alright, we're getting close to taking profit here. Alright, we took half profit there. If this plan would have been golden, we should have been in right here, like I said. Instead, we got in here short, got crunched. Alright, took another half there. We got to hit a line of resistance here, which is this whole number 2. So when we crack through 22, we're going to drop big time. Oh, wow. let's get down to, let's go to 15. Let's go. 21. Wouldn't surprise me if this thing goes back up here. If 21 can hold it down, or 22 can hold it down, that'd be amazing for us, but I wouldn't surprise me to see a little bounce here. I got a little sell order on if it goes up anymore. 20, just so I don't have to think about it. This could be a kill candle here. Well, after that dumbass mistake this morning, I can't believe I'm in a green trade right now, a green day right now. Come on, break down. Oh, let's see what I got coming up next. Let me go to my chart. For what's our next level? 2180 is where we could see some resistance. If we get there, I'll take another little bit to lock in. Make sure I'm locking in break even for the day, and the rest of it will just be there we go. Oh, it did it do it? Yeah, realized negative $1 now. So we got 250 or 125 shares left. This is where the resistance is. I should just take this here. I'm going to put in a little order. If it bounces back here, then it takes me out and I'm locked in. Okay, there we go. We're locked in. After being down 150 and now I'm up 43.50, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm happy with the comeback, and I'm happy with my performance today. We had a plan shouted out. The plan was to wait for this thing to go below 22.25 and then come back and retest it. Well, we got below it, just barely. And it was just, in the first minute, it just doesn't really count. But I truly felt this thing was going to come up and fill the gap at 22.41 and then turn around. Well, it hit it on the fucking penny. So, if I'd just not let the fear of missing, I just had a feeling this thing was going to dump today. And I called out the first morning spike to 22.41. And that'd have been the exact perfect place to short it. But that's when I was covering my damn. Luckily, I got out before that. But yeah, just first of all, try not to do anything the first minute or two, and I did something the first minute, and that's why you don't do it. I tried to get in at 22, 25. I got in at 19. I started out down 60 bucks, 6 cents in my mind, and then it got to once I'm at this line, I'm already, like I said, I'm down, and if it breaks the line, I'm down even more, and it shot up. So the plan would have worked flawless right now. We would have gotten in at 22.41, and then we would have taken profit right here at 31, half of it. We would have held down to 22 and taken half of that, and so we would have got all this with our last little bit. So let's just do a little experiment. So we would have got 10 cents, so that's 50 bucks, and then we would have got from 31, so 31 times 2, so that's 77. And then we would have got another 77.50. So we got about 20 cents there. $177. Well, so that'd been 177 profit instead of losing 150. And then, crazy thing is, because I was down, I let it hold a little bit longer at that 10 cents, so I locked in pretty good profits on half. So I played it a little different since I was down, and it worked out this time. I would have rather have just stuck to my plan, locked into 177, 100, It did jump from 100 down to like 130 real quick, so maybe I would have. Let's see, if I got in at 41, 31's right here, so it could have dropped down to 24, and I would have locked in more. Who knows? The important thing is we would have been in at the best possible spot with no danger, as it looks, and we would have locked in somewhere between $150 and $200. Instead, we've locked in 43, which I'm thankful for at this moment, but we have got to trade at better places. And even this one, it got through. I got in pretty good, 21.5, almost 22, 21.6. I was trying to get in, closer to this 25 the second time, and if I was willing to bet, I could have let this thing keep going. I was in at about 20, it got to 40, so that means 20 cents. That'd have been down to, if I could have held another 50 bucks and been down 200, then I would have watched it all come back, and honestly, probably would have just locked in and all of it at 100, being happy to get red to green at that point. But my plan cannot rely on what I think is going to happen. I have to have these set of rules, and as you can see, I'm struggling to always follow them because I did exactly what I didn't want to do. You know what? I'm going to do something real quick. No, I'm not. I'm going to end the video while I'm up. I was about to do something silly. I was thinking about jumping in again here, but I need to count my lucky stars that I'm green. So I'm going to end it here. You guys have a great day. Tomorrow is Friday. I'm going to do my best to follow the rules to a T, and we'll see what happens. Talk to you tomorrow.